you how NumBots work. So your login details are the same as Timetable's Rockstars, so you should hopefully already have your login username and password. However, if you don't, then please contact your class teacher or our ICT support that is shown. The email address for that is shown on the Parent Summer Learning Guide. So once you've logged into NumBots, NumBots is a fantastic tool to guide children's fluency in terms of addition and subtraction. Now when you log in, you'll be greeted with home screen. If you've never logged in before, then you'll be asked to create your own robot. The children get to create their own robot, and then they click on story mode. Now this game is fantastic. It operates very similar to kind of like Angry Birds and has various levels. And so ultimately the children work through each of the challenges fairly independently, but of course it's always good to have those conversations with children as well if you can. So when you click onto story, it will take you through. As you can see, there are lots of different levels and zones that you go through, and a lot of them will stay locked, and that's because at the moment the child is still working through the smallest level, and obviously as the levels progress they get more and more difficult. So you click on the in Rust and click on there, and then you'll be presented with a variety of challenges in the same way that Angry Birds and Candy Crush and all those popular games work. And you can see this child has already worked through 4 challenges, so they've got one more challenge to complete, and each challenge the child is rated with 3 stars. 3 stars doing really well, 2 they've done okay, 1 they've passed but a low level, and then a fail obviously. So when the children click on, it will give them some instructions, very simply. So how many cogs in total? So you can see that to start off with the tasks are very simple. The children type in their answer and then press enter, and then they can complete these tasks. You can see it starts off very simply, so it's age appropriate for all children to practice their skills. So once you complete that level, it shows you how quickly you did it, and gives you a star rating. You can retry if you want to get the 3 stars, so try and be quicker. So I'll be 2, 3, 2, 1. Then I've got my 3 stars. So once I've done, I can click on there and it will take me to the next challenge. So how many nuts in total? So it needs to add up these nuts. So I can see there's 1 there. And so I can type in 2 and then press enter. So it's now started to challenge me with my quick adding skills. And there we go, so I wasn't very quick again, so it's giving me 2 stars, so I might go back and try and get 3 stars. It's all about fluency and speeding up how children act. And if I continue to click on the green button, it will take me to the next challenge. Eventually, once all challenges are complete, it will then open up. If I go back, it will then open up the next zone. So slowly the children over a period of time will completely will complete various tasks and complete levels and build up their addition and number skills. And that's as simple as it is. So it's a really great way of getting children to develop their skills in a really fun and engaging way, and is perfect for learning at home and children practicing those fluency skills. A few other features that just make it a bit more entertaining for the children. As you complete tasks, you earn coins and money. So you can see I've got 214 coins here. It goes in, if you click into Custom Shack, the children can then unlock the Custom Shack. So it says you need 800 coins first. Once you've got 800 coins, you can then start building your robot and adding different features. So it's completely free, and there's no opportunity for children to purchase or spend any money. It's all paid for by the school, and yeah, it's just a really enjoyable game to play for young children to develop their number skills. So yeah, hopefully this is really useful, and I look forward to seeing as many children using this as possible. Have a good day, guys.